Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be solving Neco examination question number 21, and it said we should find u in terms of f and v, okay, in the relation 1 over v is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over u. Okay, solution. Now, this thing simply means for us to make u subject of the formula. That's just the meaning. So for here, we have that 1 over v is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over u. Now, one of the methods to solve this is to multiply everybody by the LCM. And the LCM here is FUV, right? The LCM here is what? The LCM is simply FUV. So let's multiply each of them by FUV. So have FUV in bracket of 1 over V, okay, is equal to FUV in bracket of 1 over F is equal minus FUV in bracket of 1 over U. So now, if U take care of U, F take care of F, and then V take care of V. So we're having this time, this is giving us FU is equal to this time, this is giving us UV minus this time, this is giving us FV. Now, since we are making U subject of the formula, anyone that has U should come to the other side. So this person, okay, let's move this to this and move this to this so that we cannot have this one to be in minus. So this one coming here, I have that FV is equal to what? UV minus FU. Okay. Now this is now that FV is equal to, they have U in common. So if I bring out the U they have in common, I'm left with V minus F. So now let me finish it up here. So to make U subject of the formula is just to bring this one down. So my U will now be what? FV all over what? V minus F. Okay. So that is that for that. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please support us by clicking on that like button, comment, and then share to your friends. May the peace of the Lord be with you.